Hi everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. So today we will learn about uh, you know we have I think the day one video was deploying a virtual machine, a Windows based virtual machine by using the GUI like clicking over the mouse. But today we will learn uh, making a resource group by using PowerShell, and then we will use a template to create a virtual machine, a Windows based virtual machine. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so quickly shift to PowerShell. So to create uh, a resource group by using PowerShell, I think they have. I think it's I just typed N and I got the syntax for that. So because I need a unique name, uh, so it would be like um, sh- shell 1 to 1, right? And the name would be same name I'm giving her. Nice. Because I use Portuguese keyboard, sometimes I don't get that inverted commas. Shell 1 to 1. And location would be let us keep it as Central US only. But you can change to East US as well. Yes, right. Done. Okay, got it. If not, let's use this. If not, okay. I don't know why is what is the reason the unique name is not accepting. I will try it out. Let's figure it out later. But the new resource group has been created. That is new resource group one. I go to the resource group. I can see there is a. Let me see. Okay. We have a resource group created. Now, what I would do is I want to create a virtual machine, a Windows based one. So to create that, I would go to templates. I'm just using this JSON type file. Let me delete this. The existing ones. Yeah, I've deleted this. So I'm creating a new one. That is the name would be uh, Windows Windows one. Windows one. This is template paste ARM. It. So I would go here. We go here and we delete this. So I have this script for getting one a Windows based virtual machine, and this would be, we can get easily from Microsoft Azure websites. Just we need to type like templates for virtual machine. And they have tons of, let's see, we can get any number of template from here. Like, it's openly available. It's an open source. So let's read. Let's get into this script once. So what I have, this is generally the name of the resource. Then this is just a password, 12-digit password. I'll enter that. So so this is what I'm going to do that. I'm just have I just want to the 19 data center based virtual machine. That is Windows one, and you can delete. These are the cores of requirements I want. If you have seen this first video of mine, I have mentioned like what is D2, V3 standard ones. Let me show this with a virtual machine. If I type on, if I select a create virtual machine, then I would get the same. There is no rocket science. You see the size of the virtual machine. We have the same here, and I think yeah, the image. When you select the image, the 19 data center, right? So if you go to the sizes, you have the same code that suppose we are having the B series, right? So in the B series, but is it D series or B series? It's D series, right? So if you go to the D series, same like D2, yes, this is the standard one, right? And V and version of 3, same, same goes here, like D2 standard, S is standard, and then V3. So the resource group location, whatever the resource group is there, whatever the location created for the resource group, whatever the location for the resource group, we are using the same resource group location, and everything is same. You don't have to worry if there are requirements from the company. Then we can't do anything. We have to change accordingly. And this thing 399 is nothing but RDP port. I'll show you that. So we connect Windows based server through RDP, right? So that is a code for that 3389. And this is a hard disk space. I have like 50. I just want 50 GB of hard disk, data disk. Fine. So right. So I'm using this. Mm, Fine. So just try to add, but if you feel that your template has some issues, if you want to do, and I know you feel that your template is not right, it has some errors in that, so you can use JSON lint, JSON lint. Just paste your code here, right, and then just check if it is valid or not. If it is valid, then it's fine. There are no errors, and we can go ahead to create the virtual machine. So in this, I have Windows 1. Is it the same one? Yeah, template based ARM, right? So I have to just deploy it. That's it. So I have created one virtual machine, which is a resource group one, which is for Central US, right? So I'm using that, and the username would be uh, let us put as Kaja one, right? So that is a password. So it is just confirming that whatever the details I have entered are right or wrong, right? That is the thing. Let's check once more. Right? So I saved it. US Central. Yep. What? Okay. So it's fine, right? So let's proceed. So make sure that you read this before making the purchase. That's it. So there are some issues now. What is the issue? Okay. Hmm. Right. So there is some issue with the location and it cannot deploy based on the location we have selected. So what we will do is change the location as of now to East US. It's fine. Uh, I think I have to change the resource group as well because there is some issue with the okay, data resource group. Resource group as JJ1221. JI221 East US, fine. Create review, create, fine. So templates, go to the templates and then we have Windows 1, which we have created. So I would select as JJ121. There's some issue with the password. It's really, relate to the passwords. Sometimes you have to remember because I have some passwords to remember, and then here I have some passwords to remember. If I enter the same passwords here, right? Fine. So let me save this. Hopefully it works this time. Just double checking everything and no purchase. That's it. I don't know what is the issue with this thing. So finally, after entering the password, we're just deploying one virtual machine without by using a script, right? So it's just deploying. So we're deploying that. Once it is deployed, it's the same process like that. In this virtual machine, I have created one, but we also have a template for creating two virtual machines. With single template, we create multiple, I mean, like, Azure allows us to create 15, 10, 20 virtual machines, but uh, it is never done. I mean, then the real time, uh, maximum two virtual machines are deployed. Again, it depends on the requirement. If you create multiple, you have to answer to the client for this, right? So we can see that there is a simple virtual machine which is created. Fine. So that is the thing. So you just have to, when it's done, just have to connect to RDP and then download the files, download the RDP file and connect with the password. That's how it is. If you watch my first video, first day one video, you will understand how to log into the virtual machine for the Windows based ones. Fine. Right. Thank you. Thanks for watching.